Going to learn these phrases in both language, English and Nuer. I was in Gambela and taka Gambele ene. I was in Gambela and taka Gambela ene. Is very smart, Janarami Pelelong. He is very smart, Jan Arami Pelelong. What time is it? 8:30. 8:30. I am hungry. And nagbosa. And nagbosa. Can you help me? Jindere halwak. Jindere halwak. I don't know. And kwashaja. And kwashaja. I need some water. And go repew. And go repew. Do you speak English? Jin nga talk English. Jin nga talk English. It is very cold today. And wale tipinka koshmedit. And wale tipinka koshmedit. Or and wale pin kosher. I have a question. And talk a teach. And talk a teach. I am tired. And chachuch. And chachuch. Where is the bathroom? Dwell longer, Johnny. Dwell longer, Johnny. How was your day? Shibudidi. How was your day? Shibudidi. I will call you later. And bajisholi yo. And bajisholi yo. I am not sure. Shajangach. And shajangach. Or you can say and kwechaja. That sound great. Namo ejomo gualong. Namo ejomo gualong. That sound great. Namo ejomo gualong. I am looking. Thanks. And gwechenije shiloida tes. And gwechenije shiloida tes. Do you have time tomorrow? Jintika guasirun. Or you can say jin lori irun. Or jin beluar irun. Jintika guasirun. Do you have time tomorrow? Jintika guasirun. I am going home. And watching. And watching. We can cancel one of these. Okay. And watching. Can I ask you something? And did you teach Kador? And did you teach Kador? Okay, let's start again. I mean N. Okay. I was in Gambela. And ta ka Gambele ene. I was in Gambela. This is past tense. Allah shale mishawa past tense. Keshawa ko ta wastaten. He is very smart. He is very smart. Jen Rami Pelelong. Jen Rami Pelelong. E Raja ka kiwuda ki dol. Dol Rami Pelelong. Dungno ka jen me ba cholode. Jen Rami Pelelong ko kan shure kanalara. He is very smart. Jen Rami Pelelong. What time is it? What time is it? 8:30. Ke jen 8:30. It. Jen bono raja ka michi raja. 8:30. What time is it? 8:30. I am hungry. Hungry mean both. I am han nagbosa. Han nagbosa. Can you help me? Jindere halwak. Can you help me? Jindere halwak. I don't know. And kwachaja. I don't know. And kwachaja. I need some water. Water mean pew. I need some water. And go to pew. Mitieji pew. Lilare. I need some water. And go to pew. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Jin ngaji talk English. Kidere lara no. Lara ji ka talk English. Jin ngaji talk English. Do you speak English? Jin ngeji thok English. It is very cold today. And while tipping coach me did. Call me in coach. I have a question. And talk teach. Question here mean teach in Tongnat. We call it teach. Okay. It is very cold today. And wale mean today. Tipping coach me did. Coach mean cold. It is very cold today. I have a question. And talk teach. And talk teach. I am tired. And chachuj. And chachuj. Okay. And chachuj. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Dwell longa jani. Tangwin de larono dwell warara jani. Dwell shone jani. Kia hamam jani. To Arabic. Ano dugno de larde. Redan tiang jani lar dwell longa jani. You can say that dwell longa jani. Where is the bathroom? How was your day? Shibudidi. Ki shangdu wedi. Shibudidi. How was your day? Shibudidi. I will call you later. I will call you later. En baji yode kayo. En baji choli yo. En baji yode kayo. En baji choli yo. You can use any of these. I will call you later. En baji choli yo. En baji choli yo. I am not sure. Shajangech. Kwechaja. You can say I'm not sure. Shanangech. Shanangech ki shajangech. I am not sure. Me chijangech. When you are not sure of anything, you can say it. I am not sure. Kwajaja ki shanangech in Nuer language or in Tongnat. That sound great. Nomo ajomo go along. Nomo ajomo go along. That sound great. Micha ila door. Ila mugo. Someone tell you something good. Okay, then you can say that sound great. Nomo ajomo go along. Ki ajomo go along and micheladone. I am looking. Thanks. I am looking. And gweshenija. Chiloya tet. Mugur door kawangdo. I am looking. I am looking. When you are searching something with your eye or when you want to find something, you can say I am looking. Don't want it to maybe there's many things there and then you want to find something within those things. So you can say it, I am looking. When somebody asks you what are you doing or what are you searching for or what are you looking, and then they let know and gwechenija chiloida ted. And gwechenija chiloida ted. I am looking, thanks. Do you have time tomorrow? Do you have a time tomorrow? Jinti ka gwasrun. Tangwazni ka tongna de larnena. Jin lorirun. Do you have time tomorrow? Do you have time tomorrow? Jinti ka gwasrun ke jin lorirun. I am going home. I am going home. And watching. And watching. And a measure which I cancel this one because it double itself. And watching. I am going home. And watching. She de lara no and wadora. Missy Larry and wadora. In English you can say I am going to my home. Okay, but here I am going home simply you are indicating that you are going home and watching. I can't lara no doro ki dora radian, but you are going home and watching simply. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Shane de take a door. And de take a door. Shane de take a door. Any of this can work. You can keep on reading this. Tongnat, it is very simple as long as you can read it. Maguru bijangaje Tongnori. When you want to learn Tongnat, please follow this lesson. Beginning heja gwa gorno bitanda na gwarka Tongnat ka jaba bijangaj bo. Name tok English, name thok nath ki Nuer language. Any ban jagamu dien biata kamal. Bye bye.